So if you've been wondering about the new Olaplex formula, this is their Olaplex number 4 Fine and number 5 Fine Conditioner. The 4 is the shampoo, I should mention that. And I have had these about a month. I've been using them. I have very fine hair, and I just wanted to share my feedback because I have used the other version before, the number 4 and 5 that is not fine. And I've loved that for about a year. So I really wanted to jump in and try the fine version. And I wanted to show you the consistency is very, hopefully you can see that on camera. This is the shampoo. And what I noticed about this, it's kind of hard to see without water, I apologize, but it still has the great Olaplex scent and all of that. But for me, with fine hair, I have noticed that it does not weigh my hair down, which I love. I have very tangly hair when I comb it out. So after I apply the conditioner and rinse, I do not have the major tangles that I used to. So before I used to have to use like a detangling spray actually. And with this, it has worked so well. And then I blow dry my hair. I'm good to go. And I'm not noticing that I have that weighted down look. Sometimes conditioners, especially if you have fine hair, you just feel like it's weighted down or it gets greasy faster. I'm not having any issues with this at all. I love it. So I would highly recommend this. If you were in the same situation as I am, definitely try this out. You can get it on Amazon. It is linked on my storefront. I'm a huge fan of a lot of Olaplex's products, and I will probably alternate between this and the other one since I bought the huge liters of the other one. So I'm kind of happy with that. I think it's always good to rotate your shampoos anyway, but this has been a really nice find and a surprise, and I'm glad they came out with this. So I hope you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching.